What's up, guys? Brian from the Ride Life Podcast back with another video on the shovelhead. So, last time you guys saw this bike, it had some orange wheels, orange tank. I thought that was a good idea. I thought it looked good. But after looking at it in my garage for 2 weeks, I said no. So, I changed it around. So, let's go over what that looks like now. All right, so we changed it. Put the spoke wheels back on. We put the wide glide back on. I took all the paint off, had gold paint on it. I put on this new headlight mount. And I had a chrome top triple tree that I used. Had these bars that I picked up from a swap meet. Cut about 2 inches off the ends. I didn't think they were going to look that good, but definitely liking the way they look. And then the biggest change, I took the orange Sportster tank off and I put this is a lowbrow, throttle addiction, narrowed, shortened, sporty tank. Holds about 1.8 gallons, just enough to make it to the gas station and back. I gotta fill in this hole from the old mount. I'll fill that in. Put the velocity stack on. Took the stickers off. Rear 16-inch wheel. Oh, and then also I changed up the seat. So I went back to a solo seat with a P-pad. And I think it just overall came out looking better. Not sure what that white stuff is on my tire. But that's the look. And that's how it's going to be this summer. It does run, but again, it's freaking 14 degrees out. But I just wanted to let everybody know that the shovel's done. And I'm sick of it. It's going back in the corner and I'm going to ride it in the spring. So, all right, thanks for watching. Check out the podcast. We got some cool guests coming on soon. We talk about Daytona. Daytona is right around the corner. This shovelhead will not be in Daytona. The FXR will be. I got some updates coming to the FXR. I'm gonna delete the switches. I already did it on that side, but I got all new parts over here for this. Got new chrome 3/4 master cylinder, new throttle sleeve, and the coolest part, my new start button. So I'm going to be doing that this week. I'll update you guys on that. But there's a shovel. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.